Hello, good morning, and welcome to Bexleyheath Academy. I hope I find you well. It is Thursday, the 21st of May. We are now well and truly over the hump day, and we should now be heading towards the weekend. I think that weather outside is going to make it feel like we need to. It is, of course, the last week of term as well, so we've got some, hopefully something to look forward to over the next week. I'm going to move very quickly on with my teacher shout-outs. There's several this morning, which I'm very excited about. And I'm going to start off with Louis in Year 7 as a shout-out from Miss Siemens. Consistently outstanding effort across all lessons. Well done, Louis. That's a really nice thing to read. Now, this comment, and this comment alone stands out to me, responding positively to feedback. With my teacher hat on, that's exactly what I want to be able to read. That has come from Mr. Watson in science, and it goes straight out to Konstantinos in Year 9 and Tanya also in Year 9. Well done, you guys. That's a really nice statement to read. English next from Mr. Pecton and Miss Gibbs. Josh in Year 9. Outstanding attitude to learning with an exclamation mark, and an English teacher does not use those lightly. So Josh has pushed himself throughout, sheer determination as grit, progressing in both the volume and quantity of work he is producing. What a person. I think that might be Josh on the phone now just to receive his thanks. I'll pick that up to him in a minute. Louis, Year 10. Luke, also in Year 10. Henry, Year 8. And Hanneke, Year 9. This has all come from Miss Salmon, obviously maths lesson. Consistently making an effort to complete the assigned task to the very best of their ability. Well done, guys. It's a pleasure to have your names out in the morning. I swiftly hand you over to Mr. Courtney, who is going to talk about Mental Health Awareness Week. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Walters. Well done, everyone. We're now almost towards the end of the week, and we have been sort of celebrating Mental Health Awareness Week this week. And it has been great to see the positive comments that have been made on our social media, and also to hear the wonderful things you're doing at home to sort of support Mental Awareness Week. So today is Thursday, so our act of kindness is to be kind to your family. So my original suggestion was, why not go make a cake? However, looking at the temperatures that we're going to have today, maybe a cake isn't the best way. So maybe a sandwich for somebody's lunch in your family that you can meet. Or if you're really lucky and are able to, why not have a barbecue tonight and take your turn on the grill to make sure that you're supplying that kindness to your family. I'm now going to hand over to Miss Highland from the English department.
Thank you, Mr. Courtney. Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. So I have the pleasure today to be able to read out one of the entries to the All Well competition. I first want to say a huge well done to everybody who entered. I'm going to read out Ella Gungor's entry, which is called The Future We Want. The future we want. Dear future me, I'm truly sorry that it has to be. Our past and present put together. I'm truly sorry that our graffiti and mess has made this pain forever. We are all truly sorry that we made our world come to this line, that time is slowly passing by and we might have to say our last goodbyes. The ocean's level has increased. Our world never had peace. We shall all apologise for what we have done to our world and to our sun. There is no explanation, you see. Big factories belching out smoke, oil spills that make birds and cough and choke. We truly brought despair to everything and everywhere. Dear future me, all we wanted was a future where we could breathe clean and sleep keen. A future where money wasn't the currency, but love is the one we see. We want to have pride and honour for what we are and what we sponsor. We want sunlight and glory for the times and stories when no one will be left out. With the passion and pride, we will live and stand out together. We want a future with no war or judgments. We want to live in peace with our loved ones. We want a future that means something, not our past or our present that means nothing. Dear future me, I hope our children get to see the way we learn to be. I hope our children gets to see how a sunrise on a winter's day could make someone's day. So we will try, future me. So on that lovely note, I'm going to now pass over to Miss Lufter, who's going to do some birthday shout-outs.
Morning, everybody. What a wonderful day we've got today. Sun is shining, first 27 degrees, I think it is going to be today, of the year, which is lovely to feel. But again, guys, as we are in a climate where going outside might be slightly unsafe, please stay at home as much as possible. Obviously, you're going to go outside for your daily exercise, and that's absolutely fine to do so, but staying at home as much as you can. Now, birthday shout-outs, my favorite part of any day. So those of you that have a birthday today, a big heartfelt love from everyone from the Bexleyheath family. Yes, we're wishing you a happy birthday today, and that's for the following students. Jaden in year 9, happy 14th birthday. Maria Magdalena in year 9, happy 14th birthday. Reese 12, in year 12, I should say. You're not to 12 at all today. Happy 17th birthday. And Toyola in year 12, happy 17th birthday. So guys, celebrating hard, always going to mention that 2-minute party because it will be historic, I tell you. Not today probably, but sometime in the future. So please celebrate, but celebrate at home and celebrate safely. My next message is about your online reports. Earlier this week, I mentioned that you will be receiving your online reports over the next couple of weeks. Well, that's going to happen sooner rather than later. So you should be receiving those reports over the next couple of days. Now, what Mr. Sparks has done wonderfully is that you can go onto the main school website, and there will be an explanation there of how you will receive your reports, as well as the fact of what the report actually means. So please go onto the website and you can have a look at exactly what you're expecting to receive over the next couple of days. If you've got any questions about reports, please contact your year leads or your pastoral managers. They'll be able to answer any questions about those. But please hold on, wait until the end of the week. If you haven't received your report by the end of next week, then give us a call and we'll be able to sort you out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Half term is coming. You're going to miss all those lessons, and actually rightly so. Yes, you should. However, guys, as with any holiday, we've got the May half term bank holiday classroom that's set up. You won't be able to have access to that just yet. And Mr. Courtney will put the link in for that classroom in tomorrow's daily email that you receive. And he'll tell you more about that because I don't want to steal his thunder and I want some things to be a surprise. So tomorrow you'll have all that information available to you. Now, there are some of you out there right now that might be experiencing technical difficulties if you've got a Chromebook. So if you're unable, if you've got a friend that's kind of contacted you and said, I can't get onto the assembly, oh, I'm having trouble going onto Google Meets, then please explain to them that we're just having a few technical difficulties. And it might just be just for today that if it is that you had intended to do a Google Meet with your teacher, we're going to do something different and you'll continue just with your regular classroom in front of you with the activities that are in your subject classroom areas. So if there is an issue with Google Meet, that's what it is. If your friends are asking about that right now, if you can share that message, that'll be absolutely fantastic. That we are having problems if you've got a school Chromebook with joining a Google Meet. But there's nothing to worry about. We will get that fixed as soon as possible and you'll be able to see those assemblies again. If it is that your friend's saying, well, actually, I've missed my assembly. It was my birthday today and I really wanted to see the birthday messages. Don't worry, we'll have that link up on YouTube. So you can go to our YouTube page, just let them know that, and the assembly should be with you in the next couple of hours so they can watch that back through. So guys, do not worry, technical difficulties, we will overcome them as we do as a family, the Bexleyheath family. Any problem our way, we'll sort it out. Now, I've actually got the fun fact of the day from Mr. K, who isn't with us today, but he said that please share it with me. Share it with everybody. And the fun fact of the day is Australia is the home of the most poisonous snake in the world. That's lucky for us because that's quite far away. So that's the inland taipan. So inland taipan, if you hear about it, run furiously in the opposite direction because it is the most poisonous snake in the world. And like I said, there's nothing to worry about. It's in Australia. So that's Sir's fun fact of the day. And Sir happens to be from Australia, so he knows a lot about the Australian fun facts anyway. And I'm sure that he'll be back tomorrow to share a few more with us. Now, the closing message for today, guys, like I mentioned earlier, the sun is shining outside. It might be difficult to do so, to stay at home, but please do so. Stay in, make sure you wash your hands, keep fit and healthy and do your wow sessions. And if you do go outside, please maintain a distance of 2 meters. Thank you, guys. Have a lovely day. And I look forward to speaking to you all tomorrow. Goodbye.